Hi everyone, here I have brought previous year questions of 2019, few questions, 3 questions I have brought here, and it is from the Assam board. Let us deal with it. What happens when HBr is added to CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of peroxide? Okay, now how to write these reactions? So what happens when HBr is added? So we will write this compound, and what we have what had to be added? HBr. So CH3 CH double bond CH2, and we have added HBr in the presence of what? In the presence of peroxide. So we have added here peroxide. So remember one thing, that whenever there is multiple bond in the starting material in your substrate, there will be addition reactions. Okay, there will be addition reactions. So if I say let us add it, addition means what? Your multiple bond will change into single bonded. Your multiple bond will change into single bonded. Okay, so I will just write the reaction into single bonded. That's okay. This part is done. But what are we going to add? We are going to add HBr. Okay, HBr. Okay, sometimes I may add here HBr, sometimes Br, sometimes H here. Okay, where you have to focus on the multiple bond. These multiple bonds are here. Okay, so we have to add here itself, not on this carbon. We have to focus on this multiple bonded carbon. Okay, so but remember that this is peroxide. Since there is peroxide, we have to remember that this addition is according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, so anti-Markovnikov's means the negative part. This is your negative part. The negative part, it is against the Markovnikov. So anti means against the Markovnikov. So the negative part will go to the carbon atom containing more number of hydrogen. So it will be here, and it will be H will be here. So this your negative part will go to the primary carbon. Let us say the primary carbon. Okay, the primary carbon, it will form primary halides. Okay, or we can say containing more number of hydrogen. Okay, for this we have to go for we have to learn the Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's properly. So let us learn about what is Markovnikov's rule. So Markovnikov's, okay, Markovnikov. Okay, Markovnikov's rule states that that the negative part of the reagent, let us take the same compound, okay, so this is your multiple bond. So we have added HBr. So we will discuss that. What is your negative part? Your negative part is your Br. So the negative part of the reagent will go to the carbon atom of the multiple bond. Okay, this is your multiple bonded carbon containing less number of hydrogen. As I told you, this is your multiple bond. If there is multiple bond, it will change into single bonded, and addition will be always in the multiple bonded carbon. So negative part of the reagent will go to the carbon atom of the double bond containing less number. Which one is containing less number of hydrogen? This one. So second carbon. So this one will, negative part will attach here, will get bonded here, and the positive will be here. So this is your Markovnikov's rule. Okay, how to identify Markovnikov's rule? It is addition reactions. There will be additions of this reagent HBr, HX. Okay, and there will be no peroxide. Once peroxide comes here, see, there is peroxide here, and it will go against the, this is Markovnikov. Okay, this is Markovnikov. So it will go against the anti-Markovnikov. So peroxide, anti. Okay, or you can make it easier. So always in the Markovnikovs, always we prefer the secondary halide. This is your carbon connected to two other carbons. So this is your secondary carbon. This is always prefer to the secondary. Okay, here in this case. Okay, now here it is. More number of carbon, negative will go to the carbon atom containing more number of hydrogen in case of anti. This is your anti-Markovnikovs. Okay, this is your anti-Markovnikovs. Okay, anti-Markovnikovs. Okay, done. So Markovnikovs, anti-Markovnikovs, clear. So now next question, benzene is treated with, okay, now benzene, we are going to write benzene. Okay, benzene is treated with, what we are going to treat with? Chloromethane. Meth means how many carbon? Meth, one carbon. Okay, methane, chloro, Cl, only one chloro, so CH3Cl. Okay, So now in presence of what? Anhydrous AlCl3. Whenever you see anhydrous AlCl3, there will be either Federal-Krupp alkylation or Federal-Krupp acylation. Benzene ring is there with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous. So this is the reaction of Federal-Krupp for this. If you learn the Federal-Krupp reaction, then you can write these reactions properly. Okay, alkylation. Okay, so next, ethyne. So we will write ethyne. Ethyne means what? 2 carbon. YNA means triple bond. Reacts with rat, hot tube. So it will change into what? It will change into benzene ring. Okay, directly into benzene ring. So these are the few questions which came into from the organic part. Okay, there are also other, but I have done only 3 here. So it came in 2019. I think this is very important for this coming exam. Okay.